Chest, check. Chest, check 1 2, check. Check 1 2, check 1 2, check. All right. We seem to be working. I must set by limit. I'm on live, babe. Hello, bro. I sell at 2682. Can I hold? Your guess is as good as mine, my friend. You can try, but I don't know, man. Join in, then I'll share what my overall outcome is. We have another 3 more minutes to go for the USD news to be kicking in the market. So the longer you guys take to join in, the longer is it that I will actually have to drag this live before we can actually take a trade. But my idea for the news is that I am simply planning to buy. Alright, why? Sebab boleh. Do we see 2700? You see, gold futures is already at 2700, guys. Right? Gold futures, it's already at 2700. So, only this gold is yet to go to 2700 just yet. Let me show you what I mean by when I say that. Where is the... Just reading the article just now. I'm trying to find for the article for you guys. Market news feed. Is this the market news feed article? No, it's not on Cointelegraph as well. I can't remember what channel it was, guys. But yes, I am looking at 2700 as a very potential target. Right, very, very potential target for the night. So market during this high impact news at 8:30 is either going to do one of two things, right? It's either going to do one of two things. It's either we're going to see a straight bullish dildo candle all the way towards the upside, or if market is gentle and kind enough to us, we will see the price coming in, tapping into my buy zone below here, and then pushing all the way towards the upside. All right, so the risk of buying right now is that we may just lose the first trade because the price may possibly tank on M5. I don't know whether you would consider this, but I would look at this as like a slightly bearish structure right now. We had a rally-based rally. This demand broke out a bit, testing here right now. We can see price plummeting all the way down to retest back the daily high. All right, this 2670 level was the previous daily high, so it's an OHLC level. It's a key level. Upon breaking, we didn't get a retest of this 2670 level, so there can always come a chance where price may just decide to do the retest on this news. And the way that I'm seeing this news to play out is that we have multiple different news, and I'm expecting it to be like a mixed direction. So we have some news bullish, some news bearish. Ideally, that will give us price of gold dumping first, right, coming into our zone below here. Once we see a nice rejection from here, I will then place a buy. All right, would I take a trade before the news? I highly doubt so. All right, I highly doubt so, because it will be too much of a guessing game for me, and I don't like to play guessing game when I'm trading. All right, I want to trade what I can see, and I see a buy here. So we will wait for the buy from down below here if there is a spike, and also if there is a mixed data on the news, that will be perfectly aligned for us to take a entry. Alright, if price decides to fly straight, then fly straight it is. It doesn't matter. We'll find the next entry at like maybe 9 o'clock or so. Right. So we have 5 seconds left, guys. Let's see what happens. Yep, okay. Alright. Is this mixed data news? It's still pending, guys. It's still pending. If you guys are able to get the data before I do, then please let me know. Right, because on my end here, data is still pending. Right, so we have USD strengthening for the medium impact. No change on the medium impact here. Core durable goods, USD strengthen. This is usually a dump on gold. This should be a dump on gold because there's no mixed in the data. It's all USD strong, USD strong, USD strong, no change and no change. Right, so final GDP and final GDP price index, there's no change in the data. And this 3 is basically USD strong. So USD strong means that gold should dump. I'm not going to take this dump into account. Right, I'm not going to take this dump into account for it to last that long. I will still be positive on the buy position here. Alright, and I will wait to see what reaction we get in this level down below here. But yeah, if I was in sells right now, that would be a right move to be lah. Okay, if I sold before the news, that would be a sell that I pretty much still want to be holding. So if any one of you guys got sells, good, hold it. There's another 40 to 70 pips that you guys can target. I didn't take any positions, so I'm still waiting to get into one. Right. It's following my plan so far. I'm not in a trade yet, babe. Waiting to get into one. Did you sell? Mantap. Let's see. 2670 to 2667. Alright, 2670 to 2667. I will monitor for price action here. Right, so this is my watching zone right now. Let me just write it out for you guys. Watching zone. Dubai. Why is the color of this so shit? Why is the size of it so small? Right, okay. Okay, watching zone to buy, guys. 2670 onwards. My input certain small layers around here. Then we layer as we go down. And our SL for this should be at 2665. All the way down here, yeah. Don't go up first. Relax. You're gonna see me using a lot of lower time frames. Be okay with that, guys, because we've gotten new highs. New all-time highs, very little price action, so we've got to be on the M1s, we've got to be on the M5s. But that doesn't mean that our trades will not be of high quality, right? We can still have a high quality trade as long as we get whatever confirmations we are looking out for and not rush the trade. So let's wait and see. Why am I always wrong? How am I wrong, bro? What is wrong in whatever that I just said? Or are you being sarcastic? Your first day, Walid. Leave it, guys. Alright, guys. Monitor price about to trigger into our zone shortly. Then twerk it. Miss, if you got a bumper, then shake it. Vibrate it. Embrace it. If you want a baby, let's make it. For STEM room, let's get naked. Come on. The more bearish momentum it brings into this zone, the higher the likelihood we will see a rejection in terms of a shadow formed in the zone. Don't come and reject from here, brother man. We are at about 2, 3, 5, 10 pips away, guys. Bro, I'm not on a losing side, bro. I've not taken a trade. What's wrong with you? Are you good, bro? Are you good? You can't lose if you don't trade, bro. Yesterday 12:30 PM saw you sell at 60 pips. Betul. Well, you probably got it wrong and coming here to find for something wrong. Never been on the losing side, bro. Right? Come on. A bit more, guys. All right, about 10 pips more, and then we will already get some instant entries. All right. Diva dollars is worldwide, bro. My setups. What's wrong with my setups, bro? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with you? I've already predicted that the news would probably be a sell-off, and then we'd probably look to buy. What's wrong with you, brother, man? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, bro? No, I'm not looking for any reversal, bro. Alright, I'm not in the mood of finding any sort of reversal. I'm not looking to sell. I don't fucking want to sell gold at all. Alright, I only want to buy and buy. Nothing or anything is going to change that decision of mine. Alright, until or unless I buy, and then I buy, and then I buy, and then 3 times that I bought, I SL. That will be the only point of time that I will change my bias from a buy to a sell. If that doesn't happen, then I'm just keep buying any, guys. Alright, because this kind of market, every single trader is intrigued right now to look for a reversal. I want to just focus on the continuation. That's the reason why I'm buying. So until or unless, come on, man. This was a nice setup already, lah, guys. This is about 37 pips right now. So close to triggering, So close to triggering. It actually just came and touched the tip of my zone. It's about 35 pips. Run in. Okay, let's see today what happens. No, bro, I don't think you should actually be on the live in the first place. I think you should leave the live. Tunggu BF, if you talk at 9:20, baru clear what things wanna go. Betul. You see, this kind of trades, right? This kind of setups is the most annoying ones because we should already be running a profit right now. But just because we waited for price to come and touch the zone, it came so close to it and is rejecting off it right now. Right, so I gotta just be patient lah. I just gotta wait. Taking profit. Good. I'm yet to even take an entry. You taking profit. Mantap. Bye, kasih hold je gang. Betul. Eight, 9. Let's do 50. 50 lah. Very close to entering our zone, guys. Right, very close. Okay, I think it's coming right now. I will actually start buying gold right now, guys, okay? I'm entering gold buys right now. Slow. Right, guys, got into some buys. Right, 7-0 to 6-7, Right, nice. We're coming in deeper. யாரா அவன் எப்படி பேசிட்டு போறான்? விட ப்ரோ, நம்மளுக்கு கவலையே இல்லை ப்ரோ. நம்ம பட்டன வேலை பண்ணிட்டு போயிட வேண்டிதான். நம்மளுக்கு காசு தான் முக்கியம் பிகிலே. மக்களுக்கு we don't have to impress anybody here. We just make our money and we chow. People like it. Don't like it, fuck off. Alright, I think we are running quite a bit. Are we? About 20 pips? Are we up 20 pips? Yeah, we definitely are. Kap mukian ya. Nambalaka profit தான் bro. $35. That's fast, man. I didn't expect it to be that fast. Don't have enough layers in yet. About 1 minute lah, babe. That's why TikTok was much better, but what to do? I've tried my level best to keep the latency as low as possible, but it's YouTube lah. YouTube memang is like that lah. Can't do much. Boys, I think we're up about 30 pips right now. You guys should also be up the same 30 pips right now. First trade after 2.5 years gap. Oh, Abi, what's up, brother man? Very long time, huh? Walid, get a live, bro. I wanted to ask if you, Walid, why you watch it none of our side. You just give a signal of follow. I have no clue how to trade. More than 1 minute, Shit, that's bad, man. 40 pips, guys. 40 pips. Alright, 40 pips. Woo! Woohoo! Full margin, brother, man. Vina, come on. Tekan saja, brother. Tekan saja. Woo! Ada zero float ke tu, guys? Guys, we hit TP1, Alright, you guys can secure some partials right now at TP1. Secure some partials, leave some runners. Don't hold all because we can always come back for a retest. So you guys can use whatever added margin to your account right now to add extra layers if we do come down. So secure some partials and you hold some runners. Woo! So beautiful. Where is the unwanted creature that was barking? Salam Prophet. Yeah, now he'll go missing, bro. Now he'll go missing. It's okay, guys. Let's fuck the negativity. Let's focus on the positivity. It's money that we are making right now. And when we make the money, we are very happy. So let's keep the happy, the vibes. And keep the celebrations ongoing. So the 50 pips is already here. And counting. I don't like the volume.
Incoming mail.
Like pop, 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 pop. Like that pop, pop. Coming in the pop, 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 pop. I've closed down some partials, holding on some runners. The pop, pop, pop has not came yet, guys. M15 baru punya buka. Mantap. Oh ya. Ayo. Oh yo. Woo. Woo, you 70 pips, boys. Yeehaw! Let's go. Right. Kita secure profits lah, guys. Right, we secure some profits here. Right, it's a 100% flip on this one. It's a done deal. And we still have some running here lah. Ini semua kita masih lagi tengah hold. Alright, masih lagi tengah hold. All TP hit, boys. Right, all TP hit, boys. You look at this trade, guys. Got anybody in this zone or not? Ataupun dia wicks sahaja. $85 pips in the bag, boys. Boys. I want to know if you guys are blue. Right? If you guys are blue, please let me know in the chat. Right? If you guys are blue, please let me know in the chat. Bro, kita cari continuation buy je, bro. Alright? Kalau boleh, aku memang tak nak sell. Kalau dia bagi saya tak sell, memang aku kena cari confirmation untuk nak bagi sell. Tapi kalau boleh, kita cari setup continuation buy je. You see this level here right now, this daily level, right? This is, wait, let me show you, okay? Let me show you the reason of the buys, the reason of the analysis, okay? This is our daily time frame, right? This is on daily. Let me just write it out here. But before that, guys, before I just give you a very quick analysis, I want to know how much are you guys running blues? How much are you guys winning? Are you guys all profiting? Please let me know in the chats. Let me know in the chats, guys. I want you guys to spam it. Right? I want you guys to spam it. If you guys spam it, then the next setup also will be like this. Like fire like this, bro. Like fire, like fire. $50 got $20 profit. Mantap. Flip 30 US. 30 to 180, bro. Nice lah. I just love it, guys. I just love it. Tak berani full margin bukan account parang. Tak apa. Jangan full margin je, bro. Santai pun boleh entry je, bro. Market macam ni baik kau tak full margin pun, bro. Caps lock is on.
Incoming mail.
What's up, guys? Our first setup of the day, running super smooth, zero float. As you guys can see, we caught gold buys right there, and all of it is running approximately about 60-70 pips right now. And this is every single one of us on YouTube. Ooh, live trade, flip $30 to $180, $50 dapat 20. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Flip 1,000 to 5,000. These guys are insane. Come on, join in if you want to not miss the next trade. And we're still pushing up. Let's go. Alright, guys, so coming back, why did I buy, right? Why did I buy, and why am I not looking to sell? Why am I looking to sort of continue buying lah? Right, let's take up a fresh new chart right now. Let's go to the daily time frame. So this is daily on gold, right? This is daily on gold. And when this is basically your yesterday's SL, let me show you. I still have it here. I still have it written here. Right, this is yesterday's SL of yours. I'm sorry, brother. Right, this was your yesterday's SL. 170 pips, bro. My apologies, my brother. Right, my apologies. Anyways, this is daily time frame. Right, and if you mark out daily OHLC, you will understand that the OHLC level is at 2670. Right, this is basically key areas lah, right, key areas. And the next one is down here at 2657. So when we go to H4, right, H4 hasn't broken yet, guys. Right, it's about to close. Some brokers will close at 9, some brokers will close at 10. Right, but let's just say it closes at 9 for a matter of fact. Then this has not sort of closed yet, but in the next 8 minutes, there's a very high probability that we will get a breakout. Okay, so now this is our daily OHLC level, correct? Across our daily OHLC level, the nearest level for us to take into account as a zone is this H1 demand. Alright, so this was my reasoning to buy right here. And as you can see, price, this was yesterday's ATH. Right, this was yesterday's ATH right here. This was the previous day's ATH. You know, it's been breaking out of ATH, retesting, breaking out of ETH, retesting, breaking out of ATH, retesting, breaking out again of ATH and retesting. That's been sort of the trend in gold. Right, it's been the trend in gold. So why do you want to fight against the trend? Why not just ride the trend? Where will this trend end? We can go to 27, we can go to 2750, we can even go to 3000. As of right now, there's no reason for gold to stop pumping. Maybe next month's NFP might be the reason. Maybe next month's CPI might be the reason. But now, fundamentally speaking, there is literally no reason why gold needs to stop this uptrend. There's no bearish news on gold. There's no ultra mega bullish news on USD that's going to change the trend. So nothing is really too bearish on gold for us to look for sell. So that's the reason why I'm just solely focusing on the continuation buy. When do I decide that, okay, fine, maybe it is time for us to look for a sell, is if, let's just say, price can break out of this level, right? It closes below this 2670. The moment we close, lower time frame can close, M5, M15, M30 can close, fine, then we look for sell, but that sell is also all the way to fill this range here at 2657. No breakout, we don't look for sells, guys. Okay, we cari continuation buy. Any supply breakout, pullback entry, we buy. Any resistance breakout, pullback entry, we buy. Any breakouts after that, filling the gaps, FVG, we buy je. Right, so for now, my re-entry for this trade, if let's just say I would want to take a buy, would be if we are able to break above this level here. M30 had a demand. Right, M30 had a demand, which is right over here. Right, we had this rally, base, rally. Okay, demand. So when price came all the way down here, break the demand, breakout becomes supply. That's the reason for the sell-off, and price dropped all the way. But if you realize, we couldn't break below this demand here. We respected. So price formed a support here, but our entry was all the way down in this zone. Right, why? Because we are weak hunters, guys. Right, we don't like to trade bodies. We like to trade wicks. Right, when we trade wicks, then you get entries like this lah. Right, so our entry is all the way down here. If you entered here also, it's fine. It's just that kau akan float lah. Right, you will float about 40-50 pips. Maybe SL also, whatever lah. It doesn't matter. Alright, but ideally right now the plan would be if we can break back above, pull back here, kita sambung buy. Alright, kita sambung buy. I know it will require you guys to have a lot of courage, a lot of guts to actually buy high. But that, I think, is the most profitable thing at the moment that we can do for gold. Right, looking for sells is like you asking to maybe die earlier than you should lah. Right, so I don't intend on dying. I wanna survive. I wanna live life to the fullest. So let's see if we can get some re-entries for this gold, right? We may even get a re-entry here, right, at 7472. So if price does decide, because you need to understand this is a broken demand, right, and price has right now what? A base drop. So this is a supply right now. So at this M15 supply, there's probably going to be a lot of sellers, right? There's probably going to be a lot of sellers, and there is a likelihood price can drop from here to come back to this zone. There will be about a 40-50 pips. I will sacrifice that. So it's okay for me. All right, I will miss out that 50-60 pips of a movement. I don't mind. Let price come back down here. I will look for a re-entry buy here, because this will reignite breakout manipulation entry, right? Then we look for a buy here. This is trade number 1, trade idea number 1. So we can take a buy here, SL maybe down below here, and TP at the high, right? Or if we do not get this to play out, because price doesn't decide to come down, it decides to break through. Upon the breakout, we can find a buy here, right? SL just below this low, and TP also at the, where's the high? Yeah, the high is over here. So this one also same. So either one of these two setups is what I will be looking to take. Are you guys able to hear me? Because I'm not getting any responses in the chat, so I'm not sure if the chat is still on, if the live is still okay, if you guys can hear me, if you guys can still chat. But let me know. Alright, let me know in the chat if you guys can still hear me, if you guys can still comprehend whatever I'm saying, and whatever I'm saying makes sense. Boys, bro, power live later can play. Can tarahal. That's at what, 9:20? Yeah, that's at 9:20. Right, still another how many more minutes? 13 more minutes, guys. Taking notes. Okay, cool. Now I was just a bit worried that you guys couldn't hear my stream, if there's a problem with my audio. But don't move away from the mic. Okay, wait, let me try to make it the highest. Right, I think now it should be better. Unless I need to adjust. I don't want to adjust anything lah, guys. Then suddenly you guys can't hear me. Then bigger problem lah. Kita biarkan je macam ni. Aku cakap kat mic je lah. So I hope it's clear, guys. We either wait for the pullback here. That is a breakout manipulation entry. And why is that a breakout manipulation entry? Which is usually my favorite setup to full margin lah. Alright. Breakout manipulation will look like this. Alright, will look like this. If you have a rally. Sorry. Wait, I don't know if you guys... I think you guys can't see it, so I need to start from here. Okay, so from here towards your right. Right. So if let's just say right now kita ada level of demand at this area here. Alright, we have a demand here. Price also goes all the way up. Bila dia masuk balik dekat demand sini, right, this is our area to buy. Alright, this is our area to buy, because there is a demand here. There is an engulfing here, and there is a candle that tercelup. Demand was formed here. Price basically pushed up. So when there's a pullback, we want to buy at this demand, but what price does is it breaks below first, right? It breaks below of this demand, so you already identify, oh, demand dah kena breakout, maybe the trend is a sell, but this breakout is merely just to, I would say, manipulate lah, right? Manipulate, so you will get price then breaking back above, verifying that your demand is still valid, your demand is still strong. They'll give you a breakout manipulation entry. So this is usually the kind of entry that I will full margin lah, right? So it's the same demand area. It's just that the first time when price came in, bearish momentum was too strong, the shadows were too big, we got manipulated, we got stopped out, we kena MC, whatever lah, right? But price broke below, break back above, retest this level, we take the buy. So the second time is usually where it's very precise, right? So the structure looks like this, right? And the same structure we are seeing right now on gold here, right? But it may not look as identical as it is, but if you identify this level here is a demand, right? On M5, even on M15, this is a demand, right? So this M15 demand coincides with the M5 demand. We saw price breaking below, demand breakout, oh no, break back above. So it's valid demand. Price can retest this level here at 74 to 72.5. It's a 15 pip zone. Alright, retest here and then we fly all the way. Or if we decide not to, right, we don't want to retest this level, it's also fine, because technically on M15 it wasn't a breakout. If you see line chart, it was still respecting the demand, even though the shadows pergi bawah, but it still respected the level. Okay, so if this is not a valid buy zone, this is the one that I'm talking about, we will always get our second entry to buy on top, right, to buy higher. But yang penting is that I'm not looking to sell, guys. Okay, I'm really not looking to sell. If you guys are sellers in the market right now, then forgive me. You may want to leave the stream, because this whole stream, I doubt I'm actually going to take a sell. Right? I don't want to. I don't want to fight. I don't want to fight with gold. At least not today. So, which stand, babe? Not the phone stand, babe. The camera stand. You want the phone stand? Yeah, here you go. Hope I got some brothers that I live me. Okay, guys. Might be triggering. Wait, let me just make this zone a bit more precise. So we make it simple, guys. It's from 7.4 to 7.2, okay? There's integers, there's numbers, there's decimals here. We'll just make it 74 to 72, but you guys pandai. The moment it enters the zone, you can already start entering. For this trade, SL again is at 72670, right? Just slightly below the OHLC, and TP will be at the high. So we are expecting price to come all the way up here and potentially break above this high to create another new all-time high, right? Another new all-time high. Can do, but don't move. Okay. So for HLC, you only mark it on daily time frame usually. Actually, I never mark it on daily also, bro. I don't do that. I usually do it on weekly, bro. But I have to do it on daily recently because there's just no price action, right? So it works on daily. It's just that the win rate drops a little bit lah. It's not always. Okay, guys. Okay, sorry. Price is about to tap into the zone right now. I am preparing myself for the next entry. Okay, gold buy now, guys. All right, gold buy now. This one's slightly risky, but we still try, okay? We still try the buy. No risk, no Ferrari. 7.42, 7.3 lah. Since we are already at the lowest of the zone. Okay, wait. 2673 to 2671. SL at 2670, and TP is 5, 7, and 9. Alright, let's go. Okay, guys, bottom of the zone, okay? Bottom of the zone is usually nice entries you can get lah. Right, nice entries that you can get. Hey, why lah? I already accepted the terms and conditions lah. Momentum bearish. My cut loss point is normal lah, guys. If let's just say M5 breaks below SL, I'll cut right, I won't be holding this trade. I won't be anticipating too much. I still have the expectations price will reject from here, but if we break M5 closes below 2670, I'm out. For now, I'm still layering like pretty mad lah. Right, just got it. Thanks, man. No worries, bruv. Hey, why your price action like that now? $90 pips dump. Retesting back the daily OHLC one more time. Is my buys too high? No, it's valid. It's valid anyways. Because this is a breakout manipulation entry. So if we break back down, that means this one already cannot use it. As long as we don't break, we are still good. It's 9:05, 5 minutes already broke it. M15, 9 more minutes to go. Powell speaks in 14 more minutes. Alright. Hang in there, guys. Hang in there. What's a trade without a little drawdown? You look at the way price respects the OHLC, guys. Now you guys understand the importance of it. But it's actually not supposed to do what it just did. It's not supposed to break below. The second time when it comes, it's supposed to retest back tepat this level and push to the upside. So I don't know. I need M15 to do us a favor right now. Right? M15 needs to do us a favor. Price action like this, I'd say it's still pretty 50-50 lah, guys. Okay, it's still pretty 50-50. I'm not too excited, but I'm just waiting. I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling right now. It's about 35 pips from the OHLC. Right. Holy grail. Don't do this. Don't break out retests in this zone. Don't break out retest in this zone. I need you to break back up. Ayo, don't do this. Don't do this. Is this all layering opportunities? It might be. It might be. As long as it doesn't break 2670, guys, we are good. We just have to sustain through this drawdown, and I think we'd still be good. But the moment that there is a breakout of this red color line here, there's a candle closing below, that is a sign for us to maybe look for sells all the way till here. Right? So I'm only basing my buys based on that single-handedly alone. Now I'm just going to be right back. Don't go anywhere. I will see you guys in a short bit. I must set an alert here. If we hit this, then we hit this lah. Okay. What's my float looking like? I am down, oh, not much. $3, $10, 15, 19. Ah, shit. Aye. Don't break it lah, brother. Don't break it lah, please. Don't. I'm still holding, guys. I'm still holding. Okay, I'm still holding. As usual, I will only cut if there's a breakout. So I'm sustaining for another 30 seconds. I have no SLs placed. I'm going into a drawdown of $40 right now, but I'm still holding this trade. It's entered into our previous buy zone. Why didn't it respect this? It's supposed to respect. If you guys did place SL, then you guys have already exited the trade. You might want to look to re-enter because this might just be an SL hunt, okay? Might just be an SL hunt because the buy is still valid. 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, there's no breakout, guys. Right, there's no breakout. I'm still going to continue holding until or unless M5 breaks. Now, if M5 breaks somewhere down below here at 68.70 or what, I'd have to cut loss there. Right, but for now, I'm still going to hold this trade. Kenapa you masuk balik zone asli tadi ya, bodoh sial. $55. Ah, shit. Account dah start berkelip-kelip, guys. Right, okay, my account is dead. My account is dead, guys. My account is dead. I'm out. I got taken out automatically. Wow, this was a mad-ass candle, bruv. Ooh, yo. I'm out of the trade, guys. I got taken out automatically. Account decided to say bye-bye. That's a negative 60 pips. Wait, if only I sold at this supply, right? Kaya, bro. 150 pips. Okay, fine. It's okay. What is this line here? What is this line here? Why do I have so many things on my charts? Okay, boys. Pay close attention right now. The idea initially was, if let's just say we get the breakout of this daily OHLC, the price would potentially go all the way down and we would potentially target price coming down to 2657. Alright, so that is sort of the plan right now. If we can get a break in the next 3 minutes, 9:15 will be the M15 closing. Then I think we're going to go all the way down to 2657. This was mad, bro. Abin tali can tarahal. Kita santai dulu guys. Alright, we are 1 win and 1 loss so far, so I don't want to push the next trade. We'll definitely get it. We'll definitely get the recovery so that we can end the day still at an overall profit. But I don't want to force it. But I do foresee price coming all the way down here lah. Alright, another 60 50 pips more dump. But the bloody hell didn't give me a time to react, because the way the filler closed, it closed down here 67 straight away pop 63. I have to be very very quick if I want to write the sells. No reaction time. That is a problem in trading, right? You need the reaction time. This is our QMM. Yeah, QMM is indeed. So I will expect, if we want to manipulate, since the bearish candle is strong, come all the way down here, find some support here, break back up, retest, and then fly till here. 2672 would be our roadblock. H4 rejection lain macam, bro. But why is this H4 different? H4 ada yang beza-beza Di sini dia line, di sini pun dia line. This one is quite crazy, Kalau this one kan, dia tak pecah. It didn't break structure. It's just a liquidity sweep. Wah, gila bro. Very simple, guys, okay? If I want to look for a sell, this lows on H4 here, right? This is your trend. Your highs, wait, okay, you guys can see it right now. So this is your lows, your highs, your higher lows, your higher highs, your higher lows, your higher highs, your higher lows. Now we've gotten a higher high. We cannot break these lows. Alright, we cannot break these lows if we want to continue the uptrend. So the idea is pretty simple. If I want to look for a sell, right? Yes, it would have been great if my sales is on top here, or if my sales is here, or if my sales is here. Yeah, perfect. Why? Because more pips for me. But ideally, it's all about risk to reward, right? Right? So if let's just say I want to find a trade with the highest precision level that will not give me that much of a float, it'll be after I get the confirmation that we are about to break below this lows here. So if I can see H4, if I can see H1 closing below and forming a new lower low, which we have not gotten in God knows how long. We've not gotten a lower low at all, right? There's no lower low. You guys just pay attention here. We've not gotten a lower low for the longest of times possible. Since I'd say maybe 12th of February, no lower low at all. Right? You are continuously pushing higher, continuously pushing higher. So it's been 7-8 months of just continuous uptrend in gold. So there's no lower low on H4, no lower low on daily. Very difficult for us to look for sells. So for me personally, the way that I trade, I need this area here right now, right, to break. The moment I can see this area breaking, 56 breaking, 58 breaking, then we can look for sell, because we have clean, right? This is your clean range all the way down here. So this clean range itself, dalam 300 pips dah dapat. Right, you get about 300 pips if you are able to target this clean range. And ideally, that will also mean that this uptrend that we have been creating all the way has finally changed trend. So we can expect potential downward movement lah. Aiyo. And it won't just be a very small movement, it'll be a big one. You can come all the way down. But I don't wanna look for a sell until or unless that happens. So let that happen first. Right, let that happen first. For now, it definitely does look like a sell. Okay, we break out of this previous buy zone, pull back, we retested here and drop. So Powell speaks in about another 3 more minutes. I don't know if I play it on YouTube, would I get banned? But we'll just do it regardless. Right, we'll just do it regardless. And we will see what happens. Forex.com, and this is what Oenda. Where is Oenda? Yeah, this is Oenda. Okay, we'll leave it on Oenda. What level do I have here? I got no level to buy also. H4 got anything here? Not. H4 got breaker. Alright, so H4 has a breaker block. Yep, precisely what I expected to happen is about to happen, guys. Can this be the massive sell-off? Could it be the massive sell-off everyone's looking for?
Choose a broker with the most profitable trading conditions on the market. Trade with Okta.
Everyone across the country and have access to credit.
A lot of people don't realize that you can customize this feature on
Just
your
checking, guys.
phone
Can y'all
using
actually
apps.
hear what's
This
happening?
is the control
Can y'all hear
center.
anything at all?
It lets you
For a matter of
access
fact,
some of the apps and features you might
or you
use
guys
all the
aren't
time
able to hear
without
it.
even
Desktop
having to
audio, I
unlock
think you
your
should
phone.
be able
The
to hear
control
it.
center lives just a swipe up from this corner on both your phone and your iPad. And the items
It's
that
not
you can
started
customize,
just yet.
well, they live down here underneath your brightness, volume, and focus mode. I like to have things like my flashlight handy, or a timer, or a calculator. But you can customize it with whichever ones you would like.
Can
by
hear,
going
okay,
to your
perfect,
settings
perfect.
and then control center. All your options are.
So you all are able to hear me as well?
What you want,
Can hear.
What you don't.
So I
There's
might
even
make the
an option
desktop
to turn
audio a
on
little
your
bit
phone with
softer,
Apple TV remote.
maybe about 0.5, and my audio input will stay the same. So I think that way you guys would probably be able to hear me better.
Arrange them however you want. It's ready to go. Now I
So
can easily access
precise.
some of my
Don't be
most
so
used apps in a
precise.
flash. Does your state let you do this? In some states, you can put your license or state ID on your iPhone or Apple Watch.
I'm looking for
and then
buys here,
use
guys.
your
Right,
phone
but
as
he's.
some sort
Why
of
is he not speaking yet?
अरे भाई मैं बहुत स्टॉक करता हूँ हाँ छुट्टी नहीं ब्रो
It should be here. Thank you for the subscription. If you guys have not subscribed just yet, do me a favor and subscribe. It's free of charge. Right? Absolutely free of charge. Sold to million. Yes, bro. All right, perfect. Guys, he's not started the speech just yet. I'm still waiting. The event will begin soon. Or am I watching the wrong one? I think I'm watching the wrong one. Where is his news G-bit? I think 9:30 then he come. Watch live at... it's here.
Because it does not seem like the first of these gatherings, which I was honored to play a role in organizing, was all that long ago. But we can also take pride because the conference has proven useful and important for a full decade, as I expect it will do for many more years to come. Much has changed in the economy since we first gathered in 2015, but the importance of the U.S. Treasury market has not. As you all know, this market is the deepest and most liquid in the world. Meeting the financing needs of the federal government, it plays a critical role in the implementation of monetary policy. It is no exaggeration to say that the Treasury market is
Oh,
part
man.
of the bedrock of our economy and indeed of the world economy. The October 14 flash crash and the subsequent publication of the Interagency Working Group report on that event are what brought us together for the first annual conference. October 2014 was a wake-up call because there had never been such a large swing in treasury prices in such a short period of time.
I can't actually hear the speech, but you guys can.
Report shed light on how
I'm not
much
getting the
the
audio.
treasury market had changed and how large a role
That's
high-speed
pretty
electronic
sad.
trading firms were playing in it. It also showed the value
I
of
think I gotta play it from my phone.
cooperation between the 5 agencies in the work group, something that proved again to be vital during the disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm pleased to see that all working group members
I
are
think
represented here.
one of the tools
We'll be hearing
that we
directly from
have
many senior
are
leaders, including
fair
Host
lending
President
laws,
Williams,
and in
Vice Chair
particular
Barr,
ECOA
and
and
Secretary Yellen,
FHA.
of course, was Fed
So
Chair at the
with
time of the
regards to
conference.
ECOA, that's the
It is
Equal
essential that the
Credit
Treasury markets are able
Opportunity
to
Act, and
efficiently
FHA
transform Treasury
is
securities
the
into
Fair
cash
Housing Act.
even at times of
Those two
elevated
combined
As I noted at
ensure
this event
that
in
you provide
2015,
access to
these
credit
markets need to
regardless
function
of
at a high
race,
level.
regardless of
We all
color,
understand that
regardless
sure.
of religion, sex,
I
and
remain
national
fully
origin.
dedicated to
So
that.
that's really important.
I wish you a
Because it
productive
means once
and
again, you're
useful
doing that
Yeah, I don't know why for some reason this looks like an AI.
in a way.
Oh, this motherfucker is
That's
scamming me
powerful,
lah.
is it? I guess.
Regardless of those
Yeah.
characteristics.
And again, like you don't
I
want to.
think it is very important to use our supervision and to make sure that we enforce those laws, to make sure that those are appropriately applied across our financial system, across financial institutions and banks. And that's an important role that we play certainly
Hello,
in our
everyone,
system.
and welcome to the 10th annual
This
U.S.
second
Treasury Market
tool that we
Conference.
have in our toolbox
10th
is
annual
more
is a
recent.
phrase that
They're
generates a bit
called
of surprise
special
and
purpose
much pride.
credit programs. And
this
these
surprised
special
me because
purpose
it does
credit
not seem like
programs
the first of these
have
gatherings,
started to
which I
be
was honored to play a role in
introduced.
organizing, was all that long ago. But we can also take pride because the conference has proven useful and important for a full decade, as I expect it will do for many more years to come. Much has changed in the economy since we first gathered in 2015, but the importance of the U.S. Treasury market has not. As you all know, this this market is the deepest and most liquid in the world. In addition to meeting the financing needs of the federal government, it plays a critical role in the implementation of monetary
Right, but
policy.
it's actually going to be hitting the Big Bend of Florida, so that's where the landfall is going to be made. It should be in the evening of today.
The October 14 flash crash and subsequent publication of the Interagency Working Group report on that event are what brought us together for the first annual.
अरे second message हाई फाई टू
October
यू भाई
2014 was a wake-up
भाई मैं
call.
पागल हो गया
Been
हूँ
such a
बाल
large
को
swing in treasury prices in such a short period of time. The Interagency Working Group report shed light on how much the structure of the treasury market has changed and how large a role high-speed electronic trading firms were playing in it. It also showed the value of cooperation and communication between the 5 agencies in the working group, something that proved again to be vital during the disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm pleased to see that all working group members are represented here today. You'll be hearing
Fuck what he
directly
has to
from
say.
senior leaders,
I'm just interested in taking a trade right now.
Vice Chair Barr, and Secretary Yellen, who, of course, was Fed Chair at the time of the first conference.
So frustrating to see my analysis working out so precisely, but I didn't get a chance to capitalize.
Even at times of elevated stress. As I noted at this event in 2015, these markets need to keep functioning at a
I thought Powell's speech usually massive movements. The thing is, bro, to be honest with you, I don't even know if he's actually started speaking already or not. Right, I can't find the source of where he's speaking, and everything on YouTube is just some other streamers that are streaming to capitalize on, his viewers. So I'm not sure if he's actually spoken yet or he's yet to speak yet. No. So beautiful, guys, the setup. Let's wait another 1 minute and 30 seconds. This M30 candle will close. If we do not break out of this key level, this key area, which was our initial buy zone, right, which is the H1 demand, guys, right, the H1 demand. M30 also stays same thing, got demand, plus there's also the RBS level, right? If we don't break whatever that we just saw happening, this is just merely a manipulation. The idea would be for us to still look for continuation buys. Alright, but I think even if we don't break and if we close inside the zone, alright, there is a very high probability, or the chances are that price will pull back first, because now on M15, as you can see, price is retesting a breakout pullback zone. So if we break in this zone, alright, or if we close in this zone, I think so, right, that price will have the tendency of pulling back first, giving us this buy entry here, and then only pushing towards the upside. So I feel like if, let's just say, we close in the zone, there might be a dump first before the pump. So that dump is basically the dump that I'd be looking to buy, because I wanted to buy down below here. I already mentioned to you guys that if, let's just say, the first level fails, right, the first level fails, which is on top here, I would expect price to come down to the next daily OHLC level. Bro, we are spot on so far, right? From analysis perspective, everything is working on as expected. It's just that execution wise, maybe not as best, but we are doing the best that we can. So let's see, another 10 more seconds to go. I'm pretty much presuming we're going to get this movement, right? From here, pop, then pop. So stand by for this 64 to 62 buy level, right? 64 to 62 buy level. Come down first, please, baby. Please, baby. One time for me, sweetheart. One time for me, one time. Even on M1, there is a reasoning for price to come down first. 6.4 to 6.2 M1 demand level. Please, sweetheart, come to Papa. Alright, tit tot like this. Calm down, honey. Calm down. Make it easy for us, honey. Make it easy for us. Yes, exactly, honey. Calm down. You just took out all the sell side right now. A lot of sellers just got taken out. Right, so once you've taken them out already, you can give us a chance to enter. Pull back, pull back. Here got FVG, here got demand, here got previous broken structure also. Come. SL is at 60. 1 to 1.5. 1.5, okay. Okay guys, gold buys active. This is our second attempt, or third attempt actually. We succeeded once, lost the second time. This is our third attempt right now. I'm buying here. Wait, you don't instant like that lah. Wait, tunggu dulu lah brother. Tunggu dulu dah. You instant like that, aku tak tekan lagi lah brother. 20 pips the fella, just santai and fly like that. I think that was it lah, opening remarks ni, that's all. There's basically nothing else. Right guys, I'm in the buys right now. I have not gotten my full layers in because price didn't collect the whole zone, but I have relatively a pretty decent position size. And yeah, we are running instant. Right, we are running instant. Woo! Closing some partials here guys. Alright, because I need to recover as well. I am down 50, not much. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa! Whoa! Ooh yo. This is sexy trades lah, my friends. 50 pips in the bag, guys. Okay, this trade, first round, immediate 50 pips within 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minutes, right? 4 minutes, 50 pips. We can find place to top up while running, bro. Right? But we need the momentum to kick in first. Sebab whenever we want to top up, usually those kind of trades, right? Yang mana aku layer, lepas tu dia breakout, lepas tu aku layer lagi, lepas tu aku layer lagi. Those kind of trades, I usually do it after 10:30, 11 o'clock. Manakala dia punya direction memang dah determined dah. Sekarang ni kalau let's just say price buat chainsaw kan, dia atas bawah, atas bawah, atas bawah, tetapi dia menaik. It's going up, right? It's going up, but it's atas bawah all the way. What will happen is that there will be certain trades that may MC us first, right? MC us first and then any fly. MC us first, then any junam. So to tambah atas later lah, later on part of the night. If I'm still streaming, then we can do it together. For now, dapat kutip, right? Grow your accounts. But kita dah ada satu loss just now, right? 3 trades taken today, 1 loss, 1 win. Sorry, 1 loss and 2 wins so far. So if this fella now comes back into the zone, I might consider a re-entry in this zone, but maybe a bit deeper in the zone. Why does M3 have a double bottom, double top here? Actually, I'm expecting this, right? I'm expecting this anyways, but this H1 needs to leave a shadow. This M30 also needs to leave a shadow. But if I see line chart, the fella sudah break. Oh, here line chart, the fella sudah break. So if I want a re-entry here right now, is it risky or not? It's definitely risky, right? Risk on punya setup. But is it a risk worth taking? My risk to reward here is 1 to 1.5. Is there a way for me to shorten my SL? I can shorten it down here, but this will be tip of liquidity. The price can come to 100 liquidity, so I can reduce my entry to here. I can reduce my entry to the lowest of the zone, and I can maintain my SL at 6.0. Have not decided to re-entry yet, guys. I'm still thinking about it. I'm still thinking about it. $50 pips in the first go. I'll wait for one bullish close on M1. Right, one bullish close on M1. If I can get that, I will enter buys. Right, one bullish close on M1, I will enter the buys. If it's outside of the zone, so be it. Inside the zone, so be it. Doesn't matter. I just need the M1 to close bullish. And that is signs of rejection lah. Signs that they are still buyers in the zone. Kalau tak, susah sikit bro. Susah sikit. M1 got double top. Oh. If you want to go lower right now. Go all the way down. Right, go all the way down. If I would have been in the trade, I would have SL first, be like that. Then after that, I'll think of entering the second time. Go all the way down if you need to. Right, now's your time. Go, now's your time. I'm giving you the opportunity to dump on me because I'm not in a trade. So far recovered back the losses earlier. Now mindset straight away. Mantap. Relax guys. I'm not in the trade just yet. Like I said, I need one bullish M1 close. Wherever the bullish M1 is, as long as I get it, then that will be my entry confirmation lah. Right, for now it's still bearish, plus an M1 also there's a bearish pattern, and it's rejecting off the breakout pullback entry level for the sells. Right, this M15 broken demand. So I'm not taking buys yet, but I might. Right, I might. I'm still waiting for M1 to show me a bullish close. So maybe the subsequent candle, this one here, or maybe the next one, maybe the ultimate one, or maybe we don't get an entry. If we don't get an entry, then so be it. If it wants to sweep lower, okay lah bro, let it sweep lower lah bro. I wouldn't mind it. Alright, I wouldn't mind it. I was actually expecting this to be the case at the end of the day as well, because of the way price is coming into the zone and how the reaction here actually was. But like I said, if let's just say we really should be looking for buys tonight and not for sells, we should not see these two lines that I've drawn below here. This one shouldn't break, bro. Alright, so the distance from wherever price is right now to where the lines actually are is about 22 pips. Right, so the determining point, or I would say the decision making point, is here. The moment we ada breakout dekat sini sudah, I think we should not be finding for sells, finding for buys anymore. Right, the idea would be for us to we wait for a breakout pullback entry, we wait for a sell. There would probably be trendline breakouts also we can actually take into account. Trendline breakout coincides with the zone. Instead of pullback entry here for the buy, we might get an entry like this, pullback for sell. So price might probably go all the way down like this lah, kalau dia boleh pecah. Right, if it can break here. If it doesn't break, this is all entry opportunities ni. Right, if it doesn't break, this is basically all opportunities to enter buys. But you know gold, you know how ganas it can get sometimes. The fella can sweep all the way down, take all of them up, and then only go up. So kita santai dulu guys, kita santai dulu, kita relax dulu. Right, you guys chill first. If I would have taken the trade in this zone, price would have came all the way towards my SL. Now I have a bullish close, and now I'm going to enter some buys, guys. Alright, now I'm going to enter some buys. Upon this close, I just entered some buys, right? But I think by the time you guys hear me, it'll already be too late lah. Price would probably already be running already lah. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. $30 pips if you guys followed the plan. Right, 30 pips if you guys followed the plan. Now continue pushing, continue pushing, continue pushing, pushing, push, 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 push. Push, baby, push, push. I mentioned to you guys that I need one bullish M1 closing for me to enter the buys. Right, we got the bullish close right over here. Right, this was the bullish close. And this is my entry, my entry, my entry, my entry, my entry, my entry, and pop, we've ran into a profit. Right now, maybe coming back for a second entry. But I am committed to this trade right now. Right, so right now, if price goes all the way down here, this is my SL. If it goes all the way up here, this is my TP. Okay, I'm committed to this trade. Even though price had already been in my zone just now, but I didn't get signs to actually enter the market. Now I have the sign, so I'm entering the market. A trade to hold, buddy, is only going to be buys. You should only find for buys if you want to hold. For now lah, for now. Or either you need to just be very patient, wait until 10:30, 11 o'clock, alright, and see what the market actually does. Which direction does it want to close? Well, does it want to close bullish? Does it want to close bearish? And then make a decision. Alright, guys, price came back to my initial entry point. So if any one of you guys didn't get entries, it's a good entry. Because your risk on this entry is very, very, very small. It's about, 19 pips. Right, 19 to 20 pips. And by the time I finish saying it itself, price already rejecting with YouTube latency. You guys, I can't do much. Right, I can't do much. As much as I'd want to help all of you guys out here, I am helpless when it comes to the delays. I can't do anything to improve the delays. And with the way, the style that we are trading, especially with this kind of volatile markets, every 5-10 seconds also matters. Right, matters. So I apologize. So I will share with you guys my entries. Yeah, right here actually. 2660 inputs 266. We are struggling right now, guys. Right, this is very shit price action. And I'm back into a drawdown. Do, 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 do. 35 pips is not good enough. For the old Movan it was good enough. For the new Movan I need at least a 50 to 70 pips pump. If this one also SL means I think we should not be looking for buys already lah. We switch the whole game plan to like Chari for sells. That will be a wait lah. We have to wait a pretty long time for that. M15 TLBO. M15. Haven't BO yet lah bro. This candle is about to BO lah. This candle is about to be your guys. I'm still holding this. This is the retest of the daily OHLC, guys. We reject from here, we fly all the way, we break out of this, we dump all the way, alright? Because after this, the next daily level would be at, hey? That cannot be the case. The next daily level, yeah, would be all the way down here, 2649. 2649, right over here. We should not break this if we want to retain the uptrend. If we break this, we are in a downtrend. Formations of the candlesticks looks pretty scary lah. Right, H1's rejection, H4, daily, all looks pretty scary. Looks to be aligning itself up for a beautiful, beautiful sell. But I can only take that into account after the confirmation. So another 4 minutes left, guys. If in this 4 minutes price breaks below, I will cut my entries that I have right now, which is running a float of about 30-40 pips, right? I'm still holding on to that pretty stubbornly actually. I should not be, but since we are still respecting off this OHLC level, I will hold. But the moment we break, I will cut. Right, the moment we break, I will cut. DXY rising. Yeah, that's right. Forget about your boyfriends and meet me at the hotel room. You can bring your girlfriends and... DXY is at a low level, right? This is the demand right now that it's sort of testing. We should see a rally in DXY at least for a short while up till here. But on H4, we are currently doing a compression, right? This is what price is sort of doing right now. Pop. Right, so it's getting prepared. This compression is currently ongoing. Right, it looks something like this. This is on daily actually. On H4, is it more clearer or is it more chachat now? Daily is basically compressing. So we need to see if price actually on DXY breaks above this. Right here. On H1. Big rally, sideways, breakout, this demand. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh, that was not planned. That was not planned. I took my eyes off the charts for a short while, and that's basically what markets decided to do. Extending my losses by... Oh yo, this hurts, man. Oh yo, I cut and then the fella fly. Wow, 9:55. It's just that kind of day. Are you serious? Gila, the fella went all the way to take even this liquidity out. Freaking hell. Oh yo, aku cut dia terus fly balik, sial. Fuck my life. I cut at this point right here, guys. Literally here. Literally on this candle. Literally at that 9:52 candle was where I actually cut. 42 pips. You know, the worst part is that I'd actually have the majority of my layers right now running in a profit because I had actually gotten layers here and layers here. And the majority of some of my layers were here. I would probably be running about break even or maybe a slightly smaller loss. What the fuck? Ah! Ah ha ha ha. Geram. FOMO lah. You don't FOMO into these kind of things, man. You gotta think, man. You gotta think. Fucking hell. That was the craziest movement that I've seen in gold for a while, guys. Not because of the candle, but because of the pip size. Right, on M5, 60 pips, just like that. Buta dapat. You see, the thing is that according to the plan, we were supposed to sell and start looking for sells if price is able to break below this 2658 level, which is our daily OHLC level, but we've still not gotten a break below yet. Yes, we did get price pushing all the way down. Yes, M1 may have broken below, but this break below is merely, like I said again, a manipulation. This time, the manipulation's even more obvious because this was the previous lows of the market, right over here, and every retail that was buying would have placed their SLs below here. Price purposefully came all the way down to hunt those retails SLs and immediately rejected, right? So I'm still bullish, guys. I will still buy. Like I said, I will buy, and if I SL 3 times in a row, only then I will decide that, okay, it's either I'm done for the day or it's either I should start looking for sells. So I bought the first time, I ran into a profit, I closed, came back the second time, I bought here also, I ran into a profit, which was about a 30 pips lah. Okay, let's just put it at 30 pips, right? This one over here. This was the time that I bought the second time, but I didn't close. So when price came back down again, I bought here again, and then I layered all the way down here at 25, 27 pips, and then I cut this trade at about negative 50 pips in total, right? After that, price immediately pumped. Now I would be running an overall profit, but fuck it, it doesn't matter. So I'll still be looking for a buy on gold, guys. Alright, I'm not going to change my bias. I have not gotten any reasonings to change my bias. One last setup on gold. If that works, great. That would pretty much be my recovery for the day and maybe just put me in a small profit. But if I can't find it, then I'm not going to push it. We can go for currencies, no issues. We can check GJ, we can check GU. If you remember yesterday, GU, the setup worked out very, very beautifully, right? But it's just that for me, personally, it came very close of triggering into my zone. Both the zones, actually, right? Initially, we wanted to sell here, but I also mentioned that I wanted to sell higher. So from this point, price dropped all the way, went into our TP level, right? And after hitting the TP level, it came back to retest this zone, but also came very, very close and dropped all the way down. You buy at 2655, where to take TP? Take TP at 2670, bro. Try to hold until 2670. At least 150 pips, bro. If price really wants to fly tonight, that's where we will actually see price going, because we buy from OHLC to OHLC, right? So your buys right now is below OHLC, which is a precise entry lah. I wish that the level that you bought is the level that I cut. So try TPing at 2670, bro. M5, I think there was a second entry, yeah. This was the second entry. So GU beautifully played out already. Yesterday's analysis was dope. What happened with GJ? If I'm not mistaken, there was an analysis done on GJ yesterday. Oh, we are struggling. GJ is struggling to break. H1 has a HNS or a QM on GJ right over here right now. Okay, thanks, bro. No problem, bro. All the best, all the best. Right, all the best. What is GJ trying to do? What is the range? 74 pips range niya. Bye. I think GJ is preparing a move towards the upside, right? But we are still not very, very precisely breaking and retesting here. We've not gotten a very proper solid breakout for us to continue pushing up. So be on the lookout, guys. Right, be on the lookout, because if this breaks right now, you have this resistance here, right, this level here, this level of supply here, this resistance here, breakout, pullback, that will be very nice to take entries. Right, very nice to take entries. What's happening with this fella now? I was right once again, my friends. I cannot expect price to go and take out this liquidity, right? If not, means then it can come all the way down here also if he wants to take this out. This was a setup I was bound to lose, but I could have held it because M5 didn't break. But my float was too big. My float was an additional 30 pips plus 39 pips, 70 pips float. It's a very sad trade, guys. Right? I don't know how to tell you guys. But literally on this candlestick, this bearish candlestick right here at 9:52, this was where I cut my losses. Right, this candle is where I cut my losses, and the next candle pop all the way up. So I think this is going to go to 2670 right now. I'm going to try to find a way back into this buys. Right, I'm going to try and find a way back into this buys right now. It might be a buyback at the same zone that we took entries just now, somewhere around here. But let's see. Oh. Too much manipulation on gold. This kind of manipulation, all, even if someone understands what manipulation is and how it works, so I don't think you can protect yourself, lah, bro. Right? I don't think anyone could have done anything about it. Hey. Except for smile, lah, right? Let's just keep smiling and keep moving forward. S56, bro. I don't think it'll come there, bro. I think this was the actual entry already. Right, this retest of the OHLC here, right, at like 9:58, just before 10 o'clock open. This was already the entry already. This was the breakout. This was the manipulation. Sorry, this was the breakout manipulation. This was the entry. Ride it all the way up. So I think there should be that, since there is a new H1 right now. Where's the H1 closing? Oh, H1 broke the zone. H1 closed at 2660. M30 also broke out already. H4 is still holding. I think we should have enough volume to come higher here, above on these levels here. 68, 69, 70. The push should be strong enough. But I don't want to take any trades yet, guys. Right? My next trade is going to be a full margin trade. Right, my next trade is going to be a full margin trade. I lay it at 57 and 59, too big float to 55. Same, bro, same. The only reason I cut the trade was not because of the price, was because of my float. Alright, because, I was pretty confident about the trade, right? So, the float was a bit too big for me already, and that made me a little panicked, and I made a bad decision, lah. Right, I didn't reflect back onto the charts. I straight away just cut. Yeah, I take TP, bro. Thanks. All right, nice, bro. What are you gonna do, bro? What are you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? H1 breakout, I should be selling. I'm not being very flexible today. I'm being very rigid. I need a hit, guys. Intermission time. I'll be back in a very short while. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. I had muted my audio, muted my microphone actually. What I was saying is that yes, US elections will be the determining point of whether we will get a better, clearer picture on gold. Because then whether the Democrats win or whether the Republicans win, we will sort of actually see the idea of what gold would try to do. Because right now, the reason it's breaking through highs all the way here and it's just creating all-time high after all-time high after all-time high is mainly because of the interest rates cut. Right, when the interest rates during FOMC was cut, investors started getting lesser yields on their bond investments, US bond, and holding on to US dollars, putting it into their fixed deposits, started paying them lesser yield. So that's when they opted towards safe haven, and I think a lot of volume drove into gold. Right, so with the current price action that I'm looking at, we've already tested this OHLC, we've already swept liquidity downside. Okay, in the next 2 minutes, there might be an entry for us, but provided M15 actually breaks the high. Where is the high right now? It's at 2665 lah guys. Okay, 2665. Let's just make it a whole number easier to calculate. So if we can close above 2665, I will instantly take an entry. Alright, and if price does a pullback, I will layer throughout the whole pullback. My SL will be at 2660, the same SL, and my TP will be at the OHLZ. So I'm expecting price right now on the M30 to at least pull back, come retest back this broken demand or this breaker block here, alright, or maybe even come as high as this highs over here, and then decide whether it wants to break out and push higher and go and create another all-time high, or from this level here, since it's already a clean breakout right now, maybe we will retest this level for a sell and price will push all the way down. Right, expecting it to drop till 2640, bro. Do you think it's possible tonight? Yes, provided that we break this 2658, bro. Okay, if it doesn't break here, then what we just saw, this dump that we just saw on gold, is to scam or is to manipulate a lot of retail out there to actually make them feel it's actually a breakout sell, only for price to push higher. Alright, only for price to push high. Because again, come back to what I was initially speaking to you guys. Right, the trend will only change if we get a lower low form, guys. Right, for now, this H4, what did it do? Is it came all the way down, it retested back. What on the H4 you can see a very beautiful structure. Right, you have your low, you have your high, you have your lower low, you have your higher high. Right, so I missed out this QM buy at this 2655 level. If I saw it, maybe I would have entered here, but this is not a sell just yet. This dump that happened was merely to sweep liquidity, because there have probably been a lot of buyers that didn't expect price to go and create all-time high. So at the push back towards the downside, maybe they bought high, they bought here, they bought. When there's a lot of liquidity on the upside, price is bound to come to take out all those liquidity and only then to reverse. Okay, so I will still be bullish. This is my third attempt. Like I said, if we can get a breakout right now, that will be my entry signal lah. Right, and I will expect price to at least come to this price target here. So at this decision making point, it's either we break out, retest and go higher, or it's either we reject from here and we dump all the way down. Sad, because I should already be in the buys. If I would have taken M1 entry, means I would have already been up about 30 pips, but so be it. Okay, M15 has closed, guys. Okay, so this pullback into this zone back again, 6.4 to 6.2. This time I will be buying here. 6.0 would be my SL, and I would expect TP to be at like 2670. Right, I will instant entry some buys here, guys. Right, I will instant entry some buys here. And I will wait to layer as price goes down into this zone. Right, into this zone. Don't run like that. I want you to run into a profit, but drop a little bit more. I only have 5 layers right now. Alright guys, price is running about 18 pips from my instant entries. I have not gotten that many layers in because I'm expecting price to actually come into this zone. Now if it doesn't, then so be it. I'll just have that 5 entries and I will run with that. I would be able to recover if price goes all the way up here, but I want to at least get in about 20 entries lah. So I'm still holding on to my balance 15 layers, hoping that price comes back, but also being reactive to see if there's an opportunity for me to add my layers on top. I will add the balance 15 on top, but for now, still sticking with the initial 5 that I've gotten. Tell us buy zone please. It's already shat guys, right? Buy zone is already shat. It's in the WFX Capital Club. Damn son, so sharp bruv, so sharp. So these are the entries that I have right now guys, that's running instantly, about 30 pips, right? So quick, so zero float. I'm not excited because I haven't gotten all my entries committed just yet. But yeah, money is still money lah. Profit is still profit. And we came to hit TP done deal. 38 pips. Ah! Another 20 more pips and I've already hit TP. Gold killed many traders this month. It's crazy what is happening. Oh, that is very true. That is very true. This month, I think the richest of them all has been the brokers, guys. Right? Brokers are celebrating this month. They are very, very happy. All the brokers. B-book brokers, A-book brokers, hybrid brokers, all the brokers lah. These guys are having a ball of a time. They are hoping that gold does the same thing and traders keep losing money and losing money and losing money. Guys, if you were able to get some buys, you can secure some partials or you can close all right now. This is already about 30 pips running. I was able only to get in 5 layers. I'm still holding my entries. But if you did take instant entries like the initial plan that we had, the moment M15 breaks above this 2665 level and there's a close there, I told you guys that I will enter some instant entries. And I will layer on the dump. So this dump that happened here, I layered, right? I was expecting price to come and tap into this zone. Didn't. May come back again. I hope so, right? But instantly, this rejection basically pushed price up at least about 39 pips. So even if you bought at the close, right, you have an instant about 24, 25 pips. Now when I say instant, I really mean instant. Alright, I mean like within 5 minutes. Prop firm and brokers are enjoying. Oh, they are. They are. It's a good time to be a broker right now, guys. Anyone wants to join forces with me and open up a broker? If you want to, then let me know. I'll be down to it. I hope that this pullback that gold does right now, guys, it comes into our zone. This zone on the bottom side here, you guys can see a very clean structure already. You have your low, you have your high, you have your lower low, you have your higher high. So this is your QM buy on the M5. This is a drop, base drop. This is your supply level, supply that has already broken out right now. The retest supposedly had already happened, right? Because we didn't collect the body, no, but we collected the shadow, right? And the breakout was on this candle. So this candle's pullback had already collected the body. So the likelihood of price coming back into the zone is not that possible, or I would say not that obvious. But if it does, then we'll get another entry lah. Okay, if it doesn't, then what I would need price to do is I would need price to actually show me a clean break above here. Once it breaks above here, then we can add entries on top. Right? So just now someone wanted to understand or find out, I think Muhammad Azim, if not mistaken, you wanted to know where can we actually tamba lau, right? Now, if you want to find those kind of entries, now is valid, right? Now is perfect, because now, once the direction is sort of already certain, it will just follow all the way through. So from 10:30 all the way till like 12, 12:30, maybe even up till 1 o'clock. If you are in a trend, the trend usually I'm speaking about the average times, right? It will usually follow. But if gold wants to decide to do whatever the fuck he wants to do, then we just have to accept the risk lah. This one only I cannot move on lah. I bloody hell cut at the lowest point, and from the lowest point, price is at the highest point. Chi bye. Hey, move on. Can't win them all, prof. You can't win them all. You're not God. A supply demand trader and SNR trader would be taking sell positions right now. I'm still refraining to take a sell. I might regret it, right? I might regret it, but it's fine. My sell will only be active if there is a break below here. Come on, baby, do me a pullback. M5, yes, it's not only an inverse HNS, bro, it's actually a QM. Right, it's actually a QM because this higher high is already here. But if you're talking about the bigger structure, which is this one here, this left shoulder, and then this head, right, and then you're expecting price to come down here to form the right shoulder, then yes, on the bigger picture, it is an inverted HNS. But I'm also looking at the smaller picture where you have this low, high, lower low, higher high. Drop, base drop, supply, breakout, supply become demand. It's the same zone that we have right now. Right, so everything aligns itself for price to at least do us a pullback, a pretty deep one, and then give us a buy until or before we at least go to TP, because I expect this level to actually trigger. So as long as we don't come to 2670 on this rally up, if price does a pullback, it's good to buy. But if we already go up to 2670 and then we come back for the pullback, then it is risky. Alright, then it is risky. Cryptos are flying. Come on, gold. BTC is at 65. Wows. Is this? Yeah, this is the highest it has been since the 25th of August. And if we can break above this, I think BTC is going to have a nice rally. So cryptos have started to move. Mention risky just to understand why is it risky, bro. Wait, what did I mention that was risky, bro? I have a little bit of a short-term memory loss, bro, so please let me know. Oh, okay. If it goes to 2670 first and then it retraces back down, because our TP level right now, bro, is at 2670. Right, so if you're expecting a TP at the 2670 level, it should be because the level is fresh. Right, so the moment we already hit TP and then we come back to our entry point, to take an entry back there is usually risky. Alright guys, I'm going to enter Where is my bloody charts lah? Why is my drawings all not here? Come on, man. Please be here. Please be here. I have a zone here. Give me a sec, guys. Day, why are you not here lah? I didn't remove it also lah. Right, anyways guys, I'm actually layering right now. Right. I don't know why, but I don't have my drawings with me. It was all here just now, but this is the zone for us to re-enter. Okay guys, this is the zone for us to re-enter. We are taking this zone. What was it based off again? H1, yeah, this one over here. My drawing itself went missing. What's your opinion on Solana right now? I think it's a good time for you to actually hodl it, bro. Because if you didn't buy the dip, then buying high is never a good idea. But if you're someone who gradually just invests and you keep dollar cost averaging in, I think now all is a time for you to just sit back, relax and watch it do its thing. SL guys is at 2660. Okay, I had my initial drawing. I don't know what happened to that. I have to redraw back things here, but I'm risking quite a bit on this trade, guys. Right, I am actually committing a relatively bigger lot size because I'm pretty confident about this trade, and if it doesn't work out, then it just means that the whole day I've been looking for the wrong trades. My trend is out. Very rarely does it happen, but if it happens, then it happens lah. She get whatever she wants. She get the Luceron. I got the bully of her arms. Nice. 25 pips. Ooh, this is nice. Macam ni baru best goal. Continue. Now you continue. Okay, now you continue. Continue pushing. Oh, nice. Right, guys. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. Alright, TP1 hit. This time I hope you guys all got entries because it gave us ample of time to actually take an entry also. Right, TP1 hit, close some partials, recover some profits. There's 30 pips running. Hey, don't reverse back, my friends, my family. Let's continue the push. You already started pushing very nicely. This is already at 32 pips of a nice pump. Continue. I need you to continue. I need this M15 to be an inverse. Alright, M15 inverse. Pop, boom. So TP target is here. First TP is here. 2669 goal. Come on, go. Come on. GJ pumping ah. Hey. Oh, nice lah. Finally we did. Ayo, the breakout pullback also like that ah. Don't lah like that, bro. Don't lah like that. You breakout pullback tak sampai 5 minit, 5 saat pun aku tak ada. Breakout, this pullback is all you had to actually take your decision to want to enter. 67 pips. Solid lah. Well, now we know for sure already that price. Let's see let's see daily. Yeah, this is a definite pump, guys. Alright, I don't see any reason why GJ should not go all the way up right now. From here, at least another 200 pips. Okay, so you want to find an entry, you just need to find for any reasons. Any reasons right now would work because your direction is already certain. Okay, this M30 closing. H1, did it close? H1, another 26 minutes. So wait lah, 11 o'clock, I think GJ will give you a very solid trade, bro. Right? You want to wait for the smallest pullback, 193.75, all the way till 193.400. So it's a 35 pip zone. If you layer properly with proper money management, you'd be able to survive very nicely for price to push all the way up till 195 and subsequently all the way until 197. So if you got swing traders, people that want to buy and hold, or you like to hold your positions, and GJ is opening up a very solid opportunity right now. Right, a very, very solid opportunity right now. Why does my bloody chart keep going missing lah? Where is my trades? Where is the trades? I just had my buy and sell position here. Where did you go? Where are you? Market tengah sabotage me, guys. The TradingView application, I think, is sabotaging me. I keep having buy sell positions. It keeps removing it for me, and I have to keep drawing it back again. Right, guys, I think we are up pretty big. About 40 pips in the bag so far, guys. Right, recovery 44 pips so far. Trading me having an issue, Mark. My chart also gone. There. Okay, at least for once, it's not only me who tengah kena sabotage lah. At least I have a partner here lah. Right, at least I have a partner here. But anyways, let's just draw back the setup again. It was a buy here, SL at 2660, and TP is here at 2670.6. Daily OHLC OYO. Semua aku kena buat balik. Oh, bodoh sial TradingView. There, you came back now. There you are back right now. Which one do I need to remove? I think this one. This one. Recovered now, waiting profit. Mantap. The devil in me is telling me to lay right now, guys. What do you think should I do? Should I listen to the devil? I just might. She get whatever she wants. She get the Luceluron. Hit 2670 will be nice. I can sleep already in peace. Everyone's waiting for that, bro. Just don't go back into the zone. I should be good. Retest from here and fly. No? Too late, bro. You should have texted a couple of minutes earlier, bro. Why a price action like this lah? They don't chow too lah. Just fly me. I know you want to fly me this one. I know you simply any doing this. You simply any doing this. You just fly me, bro. Someone asked Euro AUD how, right? I think Euro AUD, that setup that we had yesterday. Where is all my drawings lah? So beautiful are my drawings all. Euro AUD yesterday's punya setup, if I'm not mistaken. We were waiting for a buy at this candle, right? Price rejected from here, didn't come into our zone, and flew quite a bit, at least about 55 pips. And then after that, today it came back again, but it came all the way to collect the deepest zone that we have, the initial entries that we had. So I would not take this into account. This might be a retest entry for Euro AUD buys lah, right? Maybe this time, if there is a good enough push, we can go all the way up to our TP, which is up here. Yeah, because this risk to reward on this trade is about 1 to 7, guys. So we can look for an entry right now on Euro AUD, maybe on M15 if you want to take into account. You can use this zone, guys. This zone. Alright, this zone is a good entry zone. What is the zone? From 62100 to 61900. Okay, Jam, roll some 2 trades took and both gave 100 pips. Still running one. See you, boss man. Mantap, Masli. Take care. See you very soon, brother. Alright. Boys, are we running good? Oh, nah. Always listen to the devil, boys. Always listen to the devil. Not always lah, right? So this is the current trade that I'm running right now. 50 USD account, running $100. Right, this was the first entry, right? Yeah, this was the first entry and second entry, the one that I recently just took. So I think this trade is about to hit TP, guys. Right, it's about to hit TP right now. Everyone running good. Running good. I'm about to close. Ais batu butter. Right, I've just closed, guys. Okay, so the secure account balance right now is at about $153. Right, $163, which is good. And I'm still holding on this account. Memang ada lagi layers aku memang akan hold je sebab this trend is a buy and I've always wanted it to be a buy. So these entries we still hold, okay guys? These entries here we still hold. But if you guys want to secure some partials right now, go right ahead and do it right away. Because this is free money, baby. Free money. What I like about the way that I trade, right? If let's just say I lose because that is a trade that I'm supposed to lose. Today I lost here. Alright, I lost here on this spike, couldn't do much. But whenever I win, I get trades that can give me this kind of shadow entries. Alright, I get trades that can give me this kind of shadow entries, which means that my psychology whilst I'm in the trade is pretty calm, pretty cool. Why? Because the moment I enter, I layer, pop straight away. I'm running not in negative, but I'm running in a profit. Alright, profit, plus lay it here, all the way up here, and secured profits. Let me just share in the Telegram. I forgot to claim. How many pips did we run on this setup, guys? Did we get 50? Oh, we got 60. Wow. So ganas are still what are you waiting for, goal? Are you waiting for 11 o'clock, another H1? Can re-entry, this is where things will get tricky, because if you realize today the two losses that we took, right, the two losses that we took today was re-entry setups. Alright, the initial entry that we wanted to get all ran very beautifully, but the two losses that we took today was the re-entry setup. So we may be able to get a re-entry, but I'm not going to re-enter like on this kind of candle. Alright, especially not when we are rejecting off a very strong key level and we're just tapping into the zone. We might get a zero float again. Bear in mind, guys, this might be another zero float entry for the buys. But I am trying to avoid, because tonight I took two trades that ended up in a loss. Out of the 5, we won 3, we lost 2. But the 2 losses that we took was basically re-entry setups. That means trying to use the same zone again. So I'm trying to prevent the third time of happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for an added confirmation if we can re-enter in this zone or not. So it'll be a fresh zone by itself. It might be a trade that rejects off this zone, but it might not be an entry in this zone. It can be an entry slightly higher, maybe even slightly lower, but it's not using this zone. It's using whatever the M1 formation does around this zone. So I'm not saying you can't re-entry, but I'm saying is that today the 2 losses that we took was because of that. Like I said, it can always zero float, and that's sort of what price is doing right now lah. So let's just wait. Maybe my re-entry, guys, will be here. Alright, maybe my re-entry will be here. Once we've broken back above, retest here, I'll re-enter back. I just wish I did re-enter now. Hey, goal. The setups that I re-enter, you go straight to SL. The setups I don't re-enter, you straight away running like that. Aduh. Funny lah. 1-1 ni ah. So I need an entry here. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the breakout, guys. Right, breakout of this demand becomes supply. Retest, we buy. Right, retest, we buy. Euro AUD. Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD. Euro AUD waiting for entry, bro. Right, Euro AUD is waiting for entry right now. If you don't mind 5-10 pips of a float, you can enter a couple of instant entries here. Right, you can enter a couple of instant entries here, but price can always retrace back. Alright, about 12 pips. Paling max pun I'd say maybe about 22 pips. So if that one all for your account size, you don't mind that kind of float, or you can layer as it drops, then you can enter a couple of, but don't full margin right now lah, bro. Right, this is not a full margin entry. A full margin entry nearer to the zones you want to try, you can try lah. Right, so I would, if it was me, I would personally just wait. I will set an alert and I will just let price come there, and if price doesn't come there, I just take it as though tada rezeki lah. But if you don't want to miss out on this beautiful 1 to 7 risk to reward, then you can try, bro. Right, because our TP for this trade is about 210 pips. So it's not 20 pips TP lah, bro. So you miss out the 12-13 pips right now, it doesn't really matter lah. Okay, I think we got the confirmation that we were looking for. This pullback I might re-enter, guys. But very risky also lah. Chibai lah. Yo. What do I do? When I want to take entries like this that is very risky, guys, I'm about to enter a gold buy, but only a single layer. Right? Only a single layer. Actually no lah, double layer lah. Right? 0.052 layers. Right over here. So this one, we keep it this way, and now we layan this setup. Alright, SL for this one is at 2664, so it's at 20 pips SL, and TP is at 2670. Last layer. Can I feel my name? Hidupku menjadi ais batu bata. Yes, I just took, guys, but this one is a very small risk lah. Okay, very small risk, only 3 layers. If this can zero float and go all the way up, it'll be very, very nice lah. Right, I don't care if I didn't get that many layers in also, as long as I win lah. Because I'm still holding layers from down. M15 is really waiting for the new H1 lah. It's waiting for 11 o'clock to actually show us if it wants to pump or it wants to dump. Could you? No, don't do this, my friend. You don't want to drop base drop here. Four layers committed, guys. This is a very low risk entry from me for a relatively high risk setup lah, because the confirmation is only M1. So let's see, I'm not even risking much in terms of my SL. It's only about 20 pips. So if it hits lah. This should be a good continuation entry if price wants to go all the way up here. And if it doesn't respect this level, it only tells us that price is about to break and create a lower low lah, right? That means maybe below this, maybe all the way till 49. But if it respects here, then kita akan fly. Go on H1 rally base rally on the left. Right now H1 is bearish engulf, breakout RBR, that means 2670 got potential sell. Got potential sell. Got potential sell. But how to say, that is a sell level that you want to watch out for lah, bro. Right? You don't want to take an entry instantly at 2670 because the filler can instantly just break also. So you want to monitor M1, M5. You look at the levels when price comes there. Kalau dia ada rejection 2-3 kali, you akan nampak dah that the sellers that is actually triggering orders there. Then kita boleh cari sell. But that 2670 level, how I would look at it as a TP level. I would look at it as a solid TP point because there will definitely be a rejection there. Tapi how strong of a rejection, yang tu je yang kita tak tahu sekarang. So watching for sell, right? Watching for sell, and potentially we can even take a sell. Somehow or other also structure wise, if you see on the left hand side here, this is like your BME juga, previous resistance dekat sini, right? Previous resistance here, a lot of sellers here, price rejected a bit here, breakout, manipulation, maybe redemption entry or over here. So ada potensi untuk kita nak dapatkan sell dekat 2670. But it is one that you don't want to instantly straight away, how to say, buy lah terus. GJ can buy now. What's happening with GJ, guys? What is happening with this fella? GJ can buy now. Okay, wait. The buy zone that we mentioned just now was from here, 750. 750 all the way until 750 until 400. Did it already come? Yes. Oh, you can buy now. Right, buy now tapi jangan layer macam gila guys. Right, jangan layer macam gila. Right, you can buy now but don't layer like a mad dog. M30 confirm. H1 still not yet. H1 another 6 more minutes. You want to be a conservative trader? Wait another 6 more minutes. Let 11 o'clock candle open. See if H1 breaks or not. Okay, because if H1 breaks already, you got M15 confirm, you got H1 confirm, you got M30 confirm. Lower time frame already all set already. Every single time frame is aligned. I don't think anything will stop this fella from flying lah. Right, H4 no need yet lah. We need H1, at least H1. M30 already confirmed it. If you can get H1 also aligning here, memang padu. But if you want to enter some small entries, boleh try dulu lah. You can try first lah. But just don't full margin lah. Don't layer like mad lah. Right, don't layer like mad. I'm planning to get into Euro AUD, guys. Right, Euro AUD I'm planning to get into, but I'm not in it yet. Right, I'm not in it yet. Why does my charts keep going missing lah? Ennaatha perchana. Right, Euro AUD I'm planning to get into it here, 6 to 100. Right, 6 to 100. If I precise, I want to make my zones very very precise. I'll probably wait for 62000. So this 10 pip level I'll take it into account as an entry point. But this is a trade that I'm probably going to hold for like a week, maybe even 2 weeks. So I wouldn't be too sure how long I'd be holding this, but I would be holding this all the way until TP on top lah. Alright, so 62100, 61900. These two levels, good buy levels for Euro AUD. I have not taken the instant entries on top lah, but if you want to, you can. Right, on my end, I have limits already set. Hey, gold is causing us a bit of a headache right now, guys. The re-entry, I think, was a mistake lah. Dia punya sideways terlalu lama sangat sekarang. 5 minit lagi, guys. 5 minutes more, new H1. I'll probably end the stream at 11:15, right? Bro, can I explain confluence for Euro AUD? Euro AUD is a H4 setup, bro. Right, Euro AUD is a H4 setup. You go H4, you will see the reason why I'm buying Euro AUD lah. Right, you will see support formed here, price respecting the support here. Alright, coming back right now and retesting back the support again. Alright, and the added confluence towards the support alone is is that on M30, if I'm not mistaken. M30 we have a QM. Right, you have your lows, your highs, sorry. Yeah, you have your lows, you have your highs, your lower lows and your higher highs. So you have a H4 support supported by a M30 QM, and you have 3 beautiful reactions here already, right? First time, this one we tak kira lah, because this is when we actually understood this is a support, right? Reaction here, now M30 also got structure, right? Got structure to buy. This is your lows, right? This is your highs, price swap liquidity downside, change of character upside. You have your demand here, you have your double bottom neckline here, so got quite a number of confluences lah, bro. Degol, என்னத்தா பண்ற நீ? ஏதாச்சும் பண்ணி தொலைய. டேய் மங்கோ. Wow, the patience this fella is requiring me to have right now, 3 more minutes, boys. 3 more minutes. Judging weekly, you want me to see weekly? அது நான் பார்க்கலையே. Weekly is your weekly QM also lah, bro. Alright, but it's slightly lower lah. Over here. Alright, it coincides with the levels as well, but it's pretty deep lah, it's pretty big lah. Okay, so this is your lows, this is your highs, weekly lower low, and weekly also higher high. So weekly also, sorry. Yeah. Right, so this is your weekly lows, your weekly highs, your weekly lower lows, and your weekly higher high. And the higher high goes all the way up here. So this is, initially this was supposedly to be a support, correct? Support, when price came back here, dia break bawah, break balik dekat atas. Alright, so weekly should find back support here after it's been manipulated over this place here, because it was forming a QM. And then we should see price pushing up from here. Tapi dia punya zone sampai dekat 1.61341 lah. So if let's just say this setup kena SL, that doesn't mean that I'm going to stop looking for a buy. Right, I'll let price go all the way down, collect the full zone on weekly first, reject, M30 got structure, H1 got structure, M15 got structure, we buy back again. But for now it looks okay lah. Right, for now it looks okay. Because the minimum TP level for this buys is, it should be here. Oh, what the fuck? டேய் என்னதான் பிரச்சனை உனக்கு? Minimum TP level for the buy should be here. For now we just came to collect these lows here. All the way here. Yeah, we just came to collect these lows here. So after collecting these lows, price dump back, maybe give us a second entry. Might take out liquidity and then push back up. Zone for buys, 62100 to 61900. These two black numbers here that you see, right? 62100 to 61900. What's happening with gold? Wait, guys. Did we get a new H1? Okay, we got a new H1. I'll come back to Euro AUD in a bit, guys. I'll come back to Euro AUD in a bit. Hey, come lah. Where's my drawing lah? Come back, man. Come back here, please. Drawing. Devada. I don't even know where my entry. Oops, shit. I think there goes my camera, guys. Camera battery is out. I think if I'm not mistaken, our entry for the buys was somewhere here. SL was at 6.4 and the TP is at 70.6. If I'm not mistaken, this was our initial drawing. So we're still playing Anila, guys. Right, gold is still playing bucks with us. Kenapa lah you want to sideways right now? You compression this is a compression Dia antara it's like breakout, pump, nama here, na pop. Can you do this? Guys, our second entry hit SL, guys. Right, I will cut if there's a break on M5. But the price came back into our initial zones. Right, I will hold. And I will cut if there's an M5 break. Alright. Exceeded 10 pips already. Okay, guys, I cut losses right now. Right, I cut loss right now. Minus 25 pips. It's always the bloody re-entry setups that we hit SLs. Initial entries and all run so beautifully. So price doesn't want to give us the opportunity to ride the trend today. It's just giving us the opportunity to scalp. Alright guys, I believe that we are reaching the end of our stream. Solana is so beautiful. How's my buys looking? I don't know if you guys saw my TikTok video about Solana, but I asked you guys to buy a shitload down here. And it's running pretty decently right now. It's up about 22% from these entries here. And the journey is just starting, guys. Alright guys, I'll crash the stream right now. For GJ, if you guys took instant buys just now, you are instantly running profit. Right, from 750, price have rejected and very beautifully running about I think 30 pips right now. Euro AUD is waiting for an entry sent. Oh my god. Yeah, we came very close to the entry signal, about 0.8 pips away. My drawings again are missing. I'm not sure why exactly that's happening to me tonight. But whatever the reason may be, right, this is a good buy setup that for us to look out for. I will be paying, yes, it's back. Right, so price, yeah, very precisely came to my entry point here. And straight away I've rejected. So if you didn't get entry, I hope you got your entries right now. And for GU, yeah, I think it's going to be a continuation buy all the way for GU. Right, we should see price of GU breaking out of this highs and going way higher. Right, judging by the fact that USD is actually very weak, every single dump on the US dollar is, every single pump on the US dollar is just a retracement for it to go even lower. So the way that I look at it, GU also has a very high potential of flying even more, maybe up to this level here. So you continue finding for buys. Yesterday's sell finished. Sell also triggered TP. Now you look for buys on GU. Can buy here. Can buy here. And you can TP here. I'll see you at 35400 for GU. Right, thank you so much for joining in tonight, guys. I hope you SL for Euro AUD. Okay, good question, bro. Thank you for highlighting that. It should be on the charts. The chart needs to load, lah, bro. But I hope it loads soon enough. Hello. Where's my drawing? Hello. There you are. Right, so SL is at 61800, bro. Right, this is your SL. 61800. These two black lines here, 62100, 61900. That's your entries. Right, that's your entries. Why is this thing here? Yeah. Right, this is your SL, this is your TP, and your TP is all the way up here. You don't have to follow my TP, you don't have to follow my exit. Right, you don't have to follow my exit because this is a trade I'm planning to swing at least like for the next 1 week. And I will stick by this TP, but this trade has the chance of like coming down, collecting my SL, going a little bit lower, filling the weekly zone like I highlighted to you guys just now, which is over here. Right, the weekly zone can go all the way until 61300. So if it chooses to do that and go lower, I will find another entry down below. But for now, I've got confluences on weekly, on daily, M30, H4. Right, these 4 time frames are aligned for the buys. That's the reason why I have taken the buys. So you don't have to follow my TP. It's at 24, 1.64266. You can probably TP here. You can maybe TP here. It depends on what risk to reward you usually go with. Right, this is a 1 to 7 risk to reward. So if you're risking 1% on this trade, you're making 7%. If you're risking 100% on this trade, your potential return should be 700%. And if you're risking whatever, 10%, 20%, you guys can do the math. So this could be your TP1 at 100 pips, and then your TP2 all the way up here at 200 pips. Very strong feeling gold is just going to continue pushing higher, right? And we will see 2670. I have my bottom layers that I'm still holding. Top layers I have cut, like I mentioned to you guys. I did re-entry some smaller layers when it dumped a little bit here. So the rest we'll just have to wait and watch, guys. Thank you so much for being with me on the live. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, salam, fly. Ciao. Peace out. One love.